Hello, friends. Um, Welcome back to the course. So, yesterday, uh, we have started this theory was covered for um, to display list on recycler view. So today, I will explain how it is working actually. So to display list, we need um first a view, recycler view to be added in the layout, and then a adapter class we have to create, and a view holder. So to create view holder, we need one layout for each item of the list. So I have already added just so this is a list item layout. Just I will display one text with line of the text. So here if it is vertical list, don't put height as a um, match parent, otherwise list will not, like, it will one item will be of one full screen, means equal to the parent of the parent layout height. If it is horizontal list, then this width cannot put either a fixed width you can give or put at graph content. So remember this thing, and idea added to access this. So this is just normal, and then I added recycler view in the same this layout where we have put this on touch listener event, like to capture the touch point. So same layout I used, and inside that I put one recycler view. So if you see, recycler view will be equals to this parent layout height and width. And yeah, I added one adapter class. So adapter class will be extending from recycler view adapter, and then adapter abstract class, and this adapter, the holder you have to create, and then you have to pass type of that holder. So I created holder in this same file. Actually in Kotlin you can create more than one class in one file, but in Java that is not possible. So I created here, and then my adapter view, again this should be extending from recycler view holder. And then one method I have created, that is not method from this override, I mean it is not from parent. I define my method bind, that will take a string and it will put in that layout, and that text view. So this adapter will take list of my I mean that the data. So in this case we have list of strings, and context optional you can and decide, so that list will be used to add the item in this. And then on create view holder, this is a from parent class, you have to override it. So by default when you creating the class, it will ask you to override. So in this case you have to find out, you have to create the view, and then in that is expecting some the container layout. So you have to create, so So from XML you can directly create a layout. So this to create layout you have to do layout inflator from means context. It will take inflate the layout, which layout you want to create, and then parent. In this case parent is supplied by that adapter, but in this case you have to put, if you want to attach to parent then you have to pass true, otherwise false. But in list view if you attach it will crash, attach to the parent, so you have to pass false. Because how list is working, um, when you scroll that each view which is going out of the screen, the view is recycled, so means item is getting removed and a new item is attached. So if you put this true then it will not be detached, so for that it has to be false. Okay, so this thing I covered, and then here I have I have to get the recycler view. So this you see late in it, new keyword. This is to like what we used to do. We have to initialize here, and then we have to assign, and then whenever we are accessing we have to put question mark. So if you are sure that when this is going to use first time, before that if you are assigning variable later, then you can put late in it, and then don't have to do this null and all. So but we are sure here that on create first we will find out this layout and then we will assign, after that we will be using that. So that's why I put late in it, means this variable will be initialized later some point. And in that recycler view I am calling it list view. We have to put layout manager, like if it is list then which type of list, vertical or horizontal, and context means activity context, and then whether it is reverse list or forward list. So I want normal list, so I will put that false. And if you put true then it will be adding from bottom to top, not from top to bottom. So and then on button click, the plan is to get input from text view, like how long list you want, and then generate the list and put it in this list view. So that's why on button click I am doing this. So whatever is entered I will try to parse that into number. That's why I use try catch block. If you don't use, and if it will not force you in the coding compile time, but if you don't do and you are parsing some other string, it will crash. So I have added try catch block, and then this function I created in this function text class, which we have added long back. So what it will do, it will take the size of the list and it will generate one list of that size just by putting the number of that 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever size you will get from 0 to that, and it will return that list. So here it will return this list, and it will while creating adapter object, I'll pass the list and then context, and then this adapter we have to assign, and then notify data set change. It will tell the adapter that data is available, please notify recycler view that so that it will be displayed. So Yeah, that's so. Let's run now. So suppose if I put some string and click on get message, it will not do, but it will print this exception here. That's number format exception. So if I put some number, put 5, then hide the keyword, and then we see this list is displayed. So from 0 to 5. Now if I put some other number 9, then see it is growing. So if I put suppose 30 and hide this, now 30 is now scrollable. Okay, so yeah, that reverse list, if you want to see, I'll change this to true. You will see reverse list also. So suppose if I give some value 4 and then run, it is starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 from bottom to top. So if I put 9, it will be from 0 to 9 like this. If I put 34, and then so it will be like this. Okay, so I think I covered almost everything in this list, displaying list. So next lecture what I will do, in the list we will try to add item one by one. Whatever we are entering here, suppose list item 1, and then I will change the name, maybe add, then it will be getting added one by one. So at runtime also you can add the item. It's not like before creating the list all data should be there. And handle list item click. Suppose on click of this any item, what you want to do. And grid view, like you see 1 to grid view we will create, like tabular view, from same recycler view, just a few change, it will be displaying in the grid view. So yeah, so that's all. If you have any question or any clarification, anything, just comment in the box, or don't forget to subscribe and like, because you will be notified when new chapter is available. Okay, thanks, bye.